How to restore chat history on Messenger. First of all, if you see a message saying restore message or something similar, tap on it and enter your 6-digit PIN if you remember it. That should instantly restore your encrypted chats. But if you have forgotten the PIN, don't worry. You can recover it if you have a backup code. If not, tap on More Options, then Continue and select Continue with Chat History. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once that's done, you will likely see the same Restore Now message appear again. After that, tap the menu icon, go into Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Safety, then tap End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Now choose Message Storage and tap Delete Secure Storage. That's it. Your chat history should be restored or reset depending on your choice. So this is how to restore chat history on Messenger. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.